Grunty Fen is the more pylons you could see, the better the weather was. And also, as a little boy, Dennis used to think that if you kicked a pylon, you could make the lights flicker in Piccadilly Circus. I could go on, because like yours, my head is full, incredibly full of Grunty Fen stories and detail, and there's so much, 20 years of detail and invention, and sometimes I can barely remember the characters myself. I don't know what my favourite character is. I love Sally Field, the mother of many, married to awful Slippery Sam.
Oh, Slippery Sam.
Slippery Sam.
In and out of prison.
Yeah, always in and out of prison. Bedford jail, it was always Bedford jail. She was very loyal to Bedford jail. Oh, she was lovely. I love them all. I even like Mrs. Jeffers. She's not here, is she? No, well, I can see, I don't know. Anyway, come and have a look. Thank you very much indeed for turning up. Spread the news among your friends. And be generally agents for provocations to BBC so we can get some news. Okay? Thanks again. And thanks very much.